Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display style of your notebooks in NotebookLM. You can also adjust the display style for your main page on NotebookLM. Right now, this is tile view. If you don't have a lot of notebooks, tile view will probably work pretty well. It's very visually oriented. But if you have a lot of notebooks, it can take a while to scroll through because each tile takes up a significant amount of vertical space on the screen. If you'd like it to be more compact, you can just go up to here. Right now it's on tile view. I'm just going to switch that to list view. And all of a sudden I just have a list. I don't necessarily need to see a big tile or icons or anything. But if I have a lot of notebooks, this will be a lot faster to scroll through and to find which ones I actually want to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.